I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Story on the piano. We'll start by mastering the core chords that make up this beautiful song. Focus on D major, A major, B minor, and G major. These four chords are the backbone of the entire piece, appearing frequently in both the verses and the chorus. Take your time to get comfortable with each chord shape and practice switching between them slowly and accurately. Now let's focus on your left hand. It provides the rhythmic foundation by playing the root note of each chord. For example, when playing a D major chord, your left hand will play D. You can also try a broken chord pattern, playing the root, then the fifth, and then the octave to add more depth. This creates a lovely, flowing accompaniment that supports the melody beautifully. Now for the right hand, where the beautiful melody unfolds. You'll be playing the main tune, often using notes that complement the chords in your left hand. Concentrate on making each note clear and expressive, capturing the romantic essence of the song. Break the melody into small, manageable sections, practicing them slowly until they feel natural and precise. This careful approach builds confidence. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Begin by practicing each hand independently until you feel confident. Then, combine them at a very slow pace, ensuring your left hand chords align perfectly with your right hand melody. A metronome is your best friend here, helping you maintain a consistent rhythm. Listen to the original recording, often to internalize the song's feel and dynamics. Consistent practice will lead to beautiful results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.